So at this point, you know why your AI tool keeps failing. It's the documentation. And you know what AI-ready documentation looks like. Steps, not paragraphs. Real workflows, not theoretical ones. If not, check out these other videos. But a lot of people say they're too busy to document all these processes. They'd rather just have a meeting or take the questions as they come. They're like, when am I supposed to find time to write all of this down? The answer is, you don't find time to write it down. You capture it while you're doing it. In this video, I'm gonna show you the fastest process capture method I know, and I'm gonna demo it live. Here's why most people never capture their processes. They think documentation means sitting down, opening a blank doc, and writing out the steps from memory. So they try it. They get to step 3 and realize they can't remember if you click the dropdown before or after the enter date. They open the app to check, they go back to the doc, they lose their place, and 45 minutes later, they have a half-finished document that's already wrong in 3 different places. And then they never do it again because it was painful and the output wasn't even that good. It's not their fault. Writing from memory is the wrong way to capture a process. You're trying to reconstruct something you already did in a format you're building from scratch, in a tool that has nothing to do with where the work actually happens. The right way to do it is capture it while you work, and it changes everything. Instead of documenting a process after the fact, you run the process and capture it at the same time. You're doing the work anyway, so why not capture it automatically? You don't even need to write a single word. Here's what it looks like. Step 1. Open Tango before you start the process, not after. Once the extension opens, you're ready to capture your process in real time. Step 2, run the process exactly as you normally would. Click through every step, fill in every field, make every decision. Don't change anything about how you work, just work. Step 3, stop the capture when you're done. And cue the confetti, Tango has already built your documentation. Every click is captured, every screen is recorded, every step numbered with a real screenshot. It's structured, it's contextual, and it's AI ready. That's it. 3 steps, you did the work, and the documentation built itself. Here's what changes when your capture method is this fast. The "I don't have time to document" excuse disappears because capturing a process takes the same amount of time as running it once. If you have time to do the work, you have time to document it. Let me show you what this looks like in real time. I'm gonna capture a process right now, how to submit a time-off request in Rippling. Watch how long this takes. I open the Tango Chrome extension and start the capture. Now, I just work. Open Rippling, navigate to time, click Create New, and fill out the appropriate fields for my time-off request. Then once it's submitted, I click Stop Capture. And that's it. Look at what Tango built. Every step I just ran is now a numbered guide with a real screenshot at each step. That took less time than it would have taken me to open a blank doc and type the title. In this guide, this is what I feed to my AI tool. This is the context it needs to understand how this process actually works. Not a paragraph I wrote from memory, a captured, structured, step-by-step record of exactly what was done. Your AI tools suddenly have something to work with. Instead of feeding your AI vague instructions written from memory, you're feeding it a structured, accurate, step-by-step level record of exactly how the process runs. That's the difference between an AI that gives generic answers and one that actually helps. And when you're ready to automate, you have the documentation ready. The process is captured, it's structured, and it's readable by any AI tool you're using. Document first, then automate. In that order, every time. It just takes 3 steps in a few minutes. Just open Tango, work normally, stop, and your documentation is done. That's the capture while you work method. And it's the fastest way I know to get your process ready for AI. Try Tango for free at tango.ai. No setup required. And be sure to subscribe for the rest of this series. Next up, how to turn your whole team's knowledge into an AI-ready library, not just your own. I'm Mark. Let's Tango.